Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Friday, August 10th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room we had 1, 2, 3, 4 opportunities. Some people took this last one, which was really cool. I put a dot there. I originally said on this long, we got long, then we got short, then we got long again. I called the top and the bottom. Originally, I had said take it if you want, and then I said, if you want to hop in, go ahead and hop in. It should go up at least to 22, and maybe higher. If it gets over 24, it's going to go to 28 to 30, and then back up to 40. And that's exactly what it did. It actually went back and tested the top as well. I don't think anybody held it that long. But really quick here, we got long on a death candle trade right at the open. I told everybody, even if they were going to go lower, they were probably going to try to buy it first. And since we had a long signal, let's give it a crack. Got long right in here, 22. Some people were even, I said let it come down a little bit and then start buying. 21, 22, anywhere in here, obviously it would have been fine. And that trade went all the way up. My target was 45. Said it might get to 50, but I'm not really too worried about that. Let's see what happens. Started going up, bouncing around, kept saying 45, 45, 45. I was so sure of the 45. I said, if you're still long, go ahead and get short if you need to. Starting at 45, I had my circle there the whole time. And again, that was a good 80 tick trade, up to 80 ticks. Obviously, not everybody got 80 ticks, but and then we reversed. We got short. We had a ZL trade. We got short at 45. Took it all the way down. I told everybody that once it breaks 30, 33, that we were coming all the way down to the bottom. They were going to blow out the bottom, and 15 was my target to the downside. Again, target was there the whole time. Got there, boom. Got from 45. This time it went down to 15. That was about 30 points. 120 ticks, and then finally I said, look, the market doesn't have to go any lower. If you're not in, get long, up to you. I set it in the middle of this candle right around here, and then after the candle closed, and in fact it held, it was bouncing around here, and this green one, I said, just go ahead, get long if you want to buy. I'm like, why not? Let's buy and see. It should come up at least 2, 3, 4 points, which would get us into a free trade. And I said, if we get lucky, it might get all the way up to the top, and that's exactly what happened. So, that was another, this was a pretty cool day. And then, I called the crude trade. People were asking about crude. I really didn't want to fight the trend. But we tried a short. Told everybody that if we get into this trade, it has to go right away. We got short right here on this red candle. Got short here on the red candle at 10:30, 32 up to 35, 36, 37. Told everybody if you don't get into a free trade, we were in early in the candle. I said if we don't get into a free trade by the time the candle closes, if you want to stay in the trade, you're going to have to be prepared to add. And if you add, we will not be trying for a break even. We'll be getting out and losing 2, 3, 4 ticks. No doubt about it, because I wasn't going to hold it any longer than that. And that is exactly what happened. Got in here, added up here, 52, came back down. We were about 3, 4 ticks from our average right here when it pushed down. I said, get your butt out of the trade. Everybody who was going to stay in the trade knew that they were risking 3, 4 ticks. No big deal, because we made a boatload over here. Again, some people didn't even take it because they either don't take crude or they were done for the day. And quite frankly, after 10 o'clock, this trade here, there's no reason not to be done for the day. We had 3 killer trades, and we're going to come back and do it all over again on Monday. Great way to end the week. A little bit of volatility, and we are going to see everybody back on Monday. So don't forget to check out the free trial. 10 full trading days, 25 hours of trading calls and analysis, and we will go from there. So have a great week, and we'll see you back next week.